How to convert a landscape video into a vertical video in your Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert a horizontal video into a vertical video in your Capcut PC. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert a horizontal video into a vertical video in Capcut PC, you can see here I have a video in horizontal format in my project, and now if I want to change its aspect ratio and I want to convert it into horizontal video or vertical video, I will just click on this button. Here you can see aspect ratio, and from here you can see all the aspect ratio sizes that you want. So if I want to make this a vertical video, I will just click on this 9 by 16 ratio size, and you can see this would be automatically changed to a vertical video. And from here you can adjust the size of your video according to your choice, and after that you can export here. So guys, in this way you can easily convert a horizontal video into a vertical video in your project file in Capcut PC. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.